इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे पंक्चुएशन की. Samantha packed her notebooks and textbook. Dash. She realized she had forgotten her calculator. With twist, completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English. और इसमें हमारे पास है colon, comma, semicolon, and then no punctuation. Step 1 is look at what's on the either side of the blank. Spot the blank. Clause 1 is Samantha placed her textbook and notebooks. That is a complete sentence. She realized she had forgotten her calculator. That is also a complete sentence. So we are joining two independent clauses. Identify the rule. This is a linking. Now this is also a punctuation question, but also we are linking two clauses in it. We need punctuation that correctly connects two complete sentences. Step 3. Eliminate the errors. A colon introduces a list or explanation. This is not appropriate. Eliminate. Comma between two full sentences is a comma splice. We have discussed this earlier. Eliminate. Semicolon properly links two closely related independent clauses. This fits perfectly here. D. No punctuation. Without punctuation between two sentences, you create a run-on sentence. So eliminate. So the correct answer is C, and if you read it aloud, it sounds perfectly all right.